Alright, so today we're going to be looking at my mom's 04 Silverado. We had a whole bunch of stuff to do to this thing. I'm waiting on plugs and a thermostat. We may get into the water pump today at some point. But right now we're going to figure out why this guy doesn't work. I gotta go plug the battery in and I'll show you. Okay, so we are on nothing. So we got no power. I'm gonna take this module out and check the back, see what's going on there. I previously checked what I assumed were most, if not all, of the fuses. We're going to check again, and yeah, I will get you set up right here, and we'll rock and roll once I get some tools out. Alright, so these little screws are going to be 7 mil, at least what I'm guessing. Seems to work. Clips. Nothing in here. Yeah, that worked. Oh, well, isn't that just handy? No wonder why we had nothing. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to take a ride into town. I don't have any of my electrical stuff. That one. We got this one. So that's where, if I can find it. I believe I tried to repair this part of the truck once before. See, you're falling all over the place. If I can see, here. See how that guy, see how that guy's all melty? And this is a newer one, newish, new, yeah, it's gotta be new. So yeah, that would explain that. I guess I'll come back when I go grab all my electrical stuff. We're back. What did I get? So I got the electronics bin, awesomeness. Got that for coolant, and I got coolant. I don't know. We're gonna go. Okay, so we got all these ends individually crimped. They're all secure. What I think I'm gonna do is, once I get those wires cleaned up and ready for crimpage, I'm gonna stick some of this shrink tape, or some of the stuff I got in there, over the wires. That way we get extra sealage. I'm thinking something like this will work very well. Like this size-ish. So I got 6, 7 wires. So I could probably make that work. If not, I have another stick in here. So let me get those other wires readied up, ready for crimpage. And we'll bring you guys back after I've crimped them, because this is kind of a tedious, boring process. Okay. And then it's very straightforward. It's just match color to color, and yeah. So there is that. The wires are all cleaned up. Just gonna size a couple of them because they kind of got away from the snipper. Fit them up and crimp them and seal them and plug it in and see if I did anything. There we have it, y'all. Just need to make fire like caveman. Two times. That smells delicious. I'm gonna have to let my lighter cool off for a little while or go find another one. Come on. Oh, got a little too shawarma. I'll be right back with another lighter. I don't really like running the lighters for too long, or else they come apart and go boom. Finish these guys off. Should have just wrapped it in the flame like this, because it seems to work pretty well. There's that one. These lighters cool down just a skosh, so I don't burn my thumbs off. And we're gonna slowly bring all of these over. Not quite sure about this green one. I think that one's gonna be way too big, but we're gonna find out. I should probably do this all like one at a time, but but I'm not gonna. I'll try and do it that way. And then after this, I'm gonna wrap it in electrical tape. There, so that doesn't quite look, quite as hack job as, yeah, as my last attempt. My last attempt was just using, what was it? Friggin' duct tape. Oops, sorry. Duct tape to try and hold it all together. So, I guess one could say I have upped the skills in the electronic department. So, let me set you back up in here. I was gonna try to get into doing some diagnosis, but I remembered this thing. Like, I remember seeing it somewhere, and I'm pretty sure I'm the one who cut it off, but I can't quite put my thumb on it. So now, got to try and shove that back in there somehow. Just enough. Oh, easy, easy. That'll do it. Get in there. Yes. Let's find those 2 screws. There. Okay. All the boops today. Easy. Okay. So the next thing I would like to do is make sure, yep, that's all plugged in. It's gonna need to get the electrical tape treatment too. Okay. Very important. Smoke test. Oh, I heard movement. Heard movement. That was interesting. Let's get some keyage. Turn that all the way down. Yes. Right. Wash your mouth. I don't hear anything. Oh, we still don't have. Wonder why. Let's go mess with some stuff over here. Get that turned down to 1. Maybe we still don't have electricity over here. So I guess what I'm gonna do is unplug it from here first. See if it's a problem with this. Oh shoot. Unplug this. What's that? This guy into here. I feel like this one was the broke one. We're going to find out. Okay, so does not seem to be doing anything. So we're gonna try it with this fan. Nope. Okay. Next, I'd like to try this fan with this. Nothing. That is weird. I still don't have any power going to that. So what we're gonna do, we'll plug everything back. And then we're gonna look at some fuses. So this vid. This one was blown originally. So, blower is the 40 amp, which we suspected. Grab this. I have to switch up this device for holding you guys. You guys can't really see, but oh, come on. There's that. Come on. Oh no. I didn't break it. I don't think so. Easy, fella. What is this? 40 amp. Mission A. Let me grab, like... Oh, it might. No, it will not. Uh-oh. How do I get that out of there? I found the right tool, I think. Come on. There. Beans. So, this we will try 20 maybe? Nothing. Okay. What else? What else? What else? So we just don't have anything else that I would suspect. DC, your HVAC, so 30. I don't think that is a slot, that is. Yeah, it's not a slot that has thinguses in it. Can't remember what the name of that is called. Okay. Nothing. Battery. Max power. Fog. HVAC. ECA. 30. 1, 2. That right there. Ouch. I'm gonna grab another 10. It's something mad. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. That was interesting. So maybe it's inside the cab. Oh, maybe not. Service airbag. That's no good. Okay, let us have a look here. So there's a 30 amp fuse in here. It's called heater and AC. Ow. Let me get the right actual tool here. So we're fortunate to have one. Oh, that really hurts. That is not popped. There's nothing on that one. And then the one below it is HVAC 1. Ow. And that is not open either. Well, I don't know. Let me do some digging. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, after kind of chasing my tail for a while, before the battery dies, I'm gonna give you a rundown on what's gonna happen. Well, it's pretty much dark. I'm gonna still try and plug along and figure out what's going on with this, and if I have anything worth updating you guys on, I will update you. Okay, so I think we left off with me saying it was pretty dark. I was gonna try and poke around and figure out what was going on with this blower motor not having power. I did a quick Google search on some of the forums, and I found if you don't have power on, let's see, these two and ignition 3, that guy or these two, then more than likely the ignition switch is to blame. There's this orange wire right here. If you do not have power on here, and note, this has to be in the run position, and you take a measurement on this here orange wire, if you don't have power there, then more than likely, because it feeds in right to there, this is the main block, then more than likely the issue lies in this switch. I don't know why, I don't quite understand it, but for whatever reason, and maybe a little bit later, I will break into the switch and we can try and see some destruction. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. One moment. Okay, after a little bit of dissection, this is, so that is off. As you can see, your little nubbins in here, if you can see. Maybe the other side will be better. Yes. Little steel nubs. And when you turn it, I wonder. Okay, anyways, when you turn it, the nub goes away, and this contact lets power flow. However, it has to flow. So the first one will be this middle one, so that would be like, I think, your accessory power or something. I don't know. Anyways, the issue, as you can see, is discoloration here. Bam. And this would be ignition 3. So we had no power at all. And I'm assuming this is the input power, I think. And then this would be our output power going to one of these pins here. I don't really know. That would be easier to pick out with the discoloration, but I guess not. Anyways, yeah, that is our issue right there. And if I go ahead and try and bend this guy back, we can see our carnage. Yeah. So that is not good. You completely melted the contact right off. I'm gonna peel this guy back to show what it should look like. So there's a working contact right there, and that is a contact that